Dear students, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics of the goods and service tax law in India. Continuing that now, Section 2, Clause 13, Audit defined under Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017. Audit Audit is carried out for the purpose of governing the importance of taxation aspects, the verification and inspection of accounts of a taxpayer to confirm the adherence to the provisions of the taxation laws, to decide whether the accounts filed are correct, to verify the income and the deductions are accurate. Audit under the taxation as the tax audit, it has the importance because it helps the government in collecting the appropriate tax revenue necessary for its budgeting, the maintenance of economic and financial order and stability, to ensure that the satisfactory returns are submitted by the taxpayer, and to organize the degree of tax avoidance and the evasion. Therefore, it ensures the accuracy and certification that the information provided by the assessee are correct. Tax audit as per the tax laws means the examination of records, examination of returns, and the examination of the other documents maintained or furnished by the registered person under the Central Goods and Service Tax Act, or the rules made under this act, or the rules which have been made under any other law for the time being in force, to verify the correctness of the turnover which is declared, the taxes paid, to refund claims, and the input tax credit availed to assist his compliance with the provisions of CGST Act or the rules made under this Act. Audit is the examination of records, returns, and other documents which are maintained and furnished under the CGST Act, and to verify the correctness of the correct turnover, the taxes paid are correct or not as per the rates applicable, to identify the correct amount of turnover which has been mentioned, which includes any exempted sales or etc., to assess the compliance with the provisions of the Central Goods and Service Tax Act. Therefore, as per the Chapter 13 of the Central Goods and Service Tax Act, which specifies about the audit by the tax authorities, therefore, by any general or any specific order which has been undertaken for the audit of any registered person for such period of time and at such frequency as may be prescribed, the registered person shall be informed by way of a notice of not less than 15 working days prior to conducting audit in such a manner as may prescribed. Thus, the audit which shall be conducted, it will be completed within the period of 3 months from the date of commencement of the audit. Thus, upon the satisfaction that in respect of the registered person, it shall have the reasons that during the course of the audit shall provide him necessary facility to verify the books of accounts and the other documents, to furnish the information which has been required for the assistance of timely completion of such an audit. Thus, audit is the examination of records, returns, and other documents maintained and furnished by the registered person